Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make iPhone screen never turn off, or how you can keep display always on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to make your iPhone screen never turn off, or you want to turn on always display on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to display and brightness, and from here scroll it below, and here you will see auto lock option. So guys, simply tap on this. So guys, simply tap on auto lock option, and from here you can see there is a different auto lock time which you can use. So guys, you can see this. If you want to turn on iPhone screen for 5 minutes, then you have to simply check this to 5 minutes. And if you want to make iPhone screen never turn off, then you have to simply tap on never button from here, and after this your iPhone screen will never turn off. So guys, you can see this, you can select any one from here. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that if you want to turn on the lock screen of your iPhone always on, then you have to simply go back and you have to go to settings first, and then you have to go to standby from here, and then you have to simply turn on standby mode from here on your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this. If it is off, you have to simply turn it on, and after this you have to simply put your device on charging, and then you have to simply keep your device on the stand of your iPhone. So guys, connect your charger, turn on standby, and put your device on stand. And after this, the always on screen will work on your iPhone as well. So guys, these are the two ways which you can use to turn on always display, or you can always make your iPhone screen never turn off on your iPhone. So guys, these are the ways which you can follow to make your iPhone screen never turn off or keep display always on. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.